Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another knife from the Czech company, Mikov. This time it's a pocket knife, model PRAKTIK, model 115 NH3AK. Total length is 20 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.4 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 420. It is a stainless steel with high corrosion resistance, tempered between 53 to 55 HRC, polished blade, full flat grind. The inscription on the blade, Mikov, stainless, Czech Republic, opening with nail nick, liner lock holds the blade. The pocket knife, in addition to a large blade, has a can opener, a bottle opener with the flat screwdriver, also locked with a liner lock, wire stripper, and a keyring. Profiled handle scales of that pocket knife are made of rugged ABS plastic in blue color, but also available in black, red, green and even orange. I chose the blue one because I associate this color with the Mikov company, just like the red color in the case of Victorinox. The image of a lion with the twin tail holding a sword. This is undoubtedly from the Czech coat of arms. In summary, the quality is not bad, it is very solid. The price is not too high either, so it's a quite good idea for the pocket knife for yourself or as a first knife for someone as a gift. If I were a 10 years old kid and got one, I'm sure I would be happy. As I mentioned, there are versions available with different handle scales, colors and more or less functions. Somehow I have a sentiment for these pocket knives, much more than for Victorinox. I like to carry and use it. The Mikov company is most associated with pocket knives and switchblades. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.